Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm happy that you're here, that you stopped by and decided to check out my channel. But today I'm sharing with you a Walmart grocery haul. So for this one, I got some parsley and some jalapeno peppers. So a few of those, I don't know, about 5 maybe. Also some green onions, green bell pepper, some red bell pepper, also some limes, half and half, and I have this Greek plain yogurt, and this is going to be for a recipe, and I have 2 of those to add in because I would not normally eat that just like that, so it's going in a recipe. Some salted butter, unsalted butter, and this is the white cheddar cheese. I needed some grated Parmesan cheese as well. Some whole mushrooms, and we're gonna slice those up for a recipe. Some ground beef, and some Jubadine hot sausage. This is fresh ginger, and you can freeze this. So if you want, you can leave it as is or peel it, put it in the freezer, and when you're ready to use it, take it out and let it defrost a little bit to use it in your recipes. Some russet potatoes. Let's see, over here I have some soy sauce, and that's the less sodium one we like. Also some, this is the buffalo wings Parmesan garlic sauce, sesame seed oil, some chicken broth, Aquafina. I have 2 of those, and those are 32 ounce. You get 32 bottles, 16.9 ounce bottles in there. Some 7-Up, so I have 3 of those. Those were on sale, so I made sure I picked those up because all drinks I find have been pricey lately. So those are 5 something, and usually when I can get them, they're around $8 and something. So I made sure to pick 3 of those up. Some Premier protein, the cafe latte. Like I said, I like to use that in my coffee. And I am a community coffee lover, but I also like this triple chocolate coffee as well that Great Value has. So I like to have those on hand just when I want some little different flavor in my coffee. Some rotini. I needed some more of this Ollie glowing skin, and some more of the Ollie Daily Energy. Apple cider vinegar with the Mother. This is a great brand and a great apple cider vinegar. It helps with everything. Also some TP, Tic Tacs. I have 2 packs of transparent tape. Always have to have that on hand. You never know when you need it. Some bananas, and they're still as green as can be. This was a pickup order, so normally I try to get them more ripe than that, but we'll see how these go. Some broccoli florets, so I have 2 bags. Also this thin sliced chicken breast. I have a pack of just, chicken breast. So that was $14.87 for about 5, maybe 6 in there. I'm not sure. Looks like 5. And Mucinex, have to have this on hand. Been getting over being sick. Light brown sugar. Let's see, I think that's everything that I have. So that's everything that I got at Walmart. And like I said, this was a Walmart grocery pickup. And I'm going to show you what my weekly meal plan is. And also something, if you never have seen it on Walmart before, something you might be interested in if you're always looking for, something different to make with recipes and things. But I'm going to put all the cold stuff away, and then I'll be back and show you exactly what I'm talking about. And for my meal plan, and this is in no particular order necessarily because I change up meals on different days, so I just write down what I think I'm going to make for that day, but it may change to a different day. But for Monday, I have chicken and veggie stir fry, and I have Walmart app here because that's something I'm going to show you in case y'all don't know about that. Tuesday, marinated chicken in the crock pot. Wednesday is garlic parm chicken pasta in the crock pot as well. Thursday, leftovers, so usually we'll have leftovers from something we've already had previously. Friday, some beef stroganoff. Saturday, general, I think it's Sal's chicken. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it or not. And then Sunday, not sure, and that may be a leftover day as well. But this is basically what we're gonna do for the week. And some of these will be in a what's for dinner video. Not everything, but I think some of them might be. The thing I wanted to share with you about the Walmart app, in case you don't know, you open it up, you go to services, and then just scroll down and you'll see find a recipe, and this will let you add ingredients to your cart in one tap. So just in case you didn't know about this, I thought it would be value to show you. So it just shows you can go through winter day, winter recipes, game day recipes, breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, main dish, a side dish, American, Asian, European, whatever you're looking for, beef, cheese, chicken, eggs, vegetables, snack, Latin, fruit, and then it even goes into servings under certain prices. So you can do that, or even in the time that you want to, prepare a dish for. But it will give you recipes. So let's say if I go to, say, a chicken recipe, it'll come up like this, which I don't particularly like. I wish it would kind of, come up a little bit better. But just say if this was a recipe you wanted to try, easy chicken Alfredo penne pasta. It'll tell you the cost per serving, how long it takes to cook, how much it'll serve, and how long it will take to prepare the meal. So it will give you on this underneath the ingredients you'll need. And sometimes you may already have some of these things like butter and stuff like that, salt, pepper. So it just gives you all of those items that you need. Then you just go over here and add it if you need to buy it. And then underneath it'll just show you how to prepare it. So it gives you the directions. So I think that some people don't know that exists on this app, but I wanted to share it with you in case you're interested in finding some new recipes. So I've shared a few different ones because this is also Tasty. Some things come from Tasty and some things come from other sources. So there's a few that I've shared that have come from this, but I thought it would be interesting if you were interested in that you can, start making your meals, plan your meals around the time that you go and get your groceries and things like that. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope that this maybe gave you some ideas on my meal plan for meals that you can make for your family that I will put into a what's for dinner video soon, and that this app that I showed you kind of gives you, maybe some ideas that you can make for your family. And I will probably be making more of these as well. So hopefully this video was informative for you in that way. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.